Hello, and thanks for joining the FrostySith channel today for the February Teaser Tuesday for 2020. We're out for a little afternoon ruck during lunch, and so let's talk about a few of the things that are coming up in February. First off, we're going to announce here in this episode the winner of the January subscriber giveaway. So the winner is Cindy, and I'll put a temporary email link in the video below. And Cindy, if you reach out to me, then I'll figure out how to get the Google Mini Nest to you. So in February, coming up on the channel, we are going to have some additional technical videos concerning technology that we use on the workstation and PINEPHONE and that kind of thing, but we'll also have some additional outdoor videos. In particular, we're going to be refining some videos for backcountry keto recipes, so we'll be doing some additions to the Keto Trail and finishing up part 3 of the Asus Hyper M.2 X16 card, where we test out the performance of that card against a standard onboard NVMe, SSD via SATA, and a hard drive array using Microsoft storage spaces. So that's really it, and stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and stay tuned. Remember, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.